Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Kabul drone strike a mistake. Top US military commander apologies over tragic outcome. A top US military commander has considered as a mistake the drone strike by the American forces in Kabul last month targeting ISIS terrorists after suicide bombing at the city airport that killed 10 civilians including up to 7 children. Briefing reporters on the result of the investigation of the August 29 strike, General Frank McKenzie, the commander of the US Central Command, also said it was unlikely that the vehicle and those who died in the drone strike were associated with ISIS-K or were a direct threat to US forces. However, the strike must be considered in the context of the on-ground situation at the Hamid Karzai International Airport following the ISIS-K attack that killed 13 soldiers, sailors, and marines. More than 100 civilians. Also, a substantial body intelligence had indicated the imminence of attack, he said. Jen McKenzie said that having thoroughly reviewed the findings of the probe and supporting analysis, he is convinced that as many as 10 civilians, including up to 7 children, were tragically killed in that drone. It was a mistake that I offer my sincere apology at the combat commander. I am fully responsible for the strike and this tragic outcome, he told reporters at a Pentagon news conference. Grim situation as states report spike in dengue viral fever cases. A devastating dengue outbreak has swept India in recent weeks, with the Uttar Pradesh being the most affected state in the country. The UP's Firozabad district recorded scores of deaths, prompting central teams and doctors to drop the outbreak. In West Bengal, the mysterious fever has gripped children, leading to hundreds of hospitalization, medical treatments, and probably the cases that are said to be spread every year due to the change of seasons. Plagued by viral fever, dengue outbreaks, state governments have started probes and taken other steps to get a grip on the green situation. More than 1,500 cases of dengue and viral fever have been reported in various districts of Uttar Pradesh. 172 children have been admitted at 2 hospitals in North Bengal due to fever and other ailments. England to decide on Pakistan tour in 24 to 48 hours after New Zealand pull out of limited over series. New Zealand cancellation of the limited over series in Pakistan has prompted the England and Wales Cricket Board to spring into action and assess the security situation before their tour the country next month. England said it will assess the ground situation in the Pakistan to decide on their tour in the next 24 to 48 hours. England meanwhile are scheduled to travel to Rawalpindi in October for 2020 internationals in what will be their first visit to Pakistan since 2005. We are aware of New Zealand's decision to pull out of Pakistan tour due to a security alert. We are liaising with our security team who are on the ground in Pakistan to fully understand the situation, the England and Wales Cricket Board said in the statement. Although some international cricket and Pakistan Super League matches have been held in the country, but major test nations are yet to travel to Pakistan for full-fledged tours.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.